Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your FTX Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your FTX Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your FTX Wallet application. The home page of FTX Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your FTX Wallet's account. Click on Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your FTX Wallet's account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. You can also sign in to your FTX Wallet's account using your Google or Apple account as well. This is how you can sign into your FTX Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.